Electronics 007 here, back with another Minecraft 5-minute how-to. Today, it has taken me like 7 times already to just record this episode, because one time I accidentally stopped recording when, well, I was still obviously building, or showing how to build. Another time, someone knocked on my door. I paused it, and then, well, instead of unpausing it, I stopped it. So, yeah. And that time was just a whole big screw up. So, yeah. Place 2 5x1 areas to make the and place item frames on the side. These will become your treads. Place yellow concrete. Honestly, you could use this for any treaded vehicle. But yeah. After that, place smooth stone slabs to connect them. Place yellow concrete like that. After that, place yellow concrete on top like that. Also, place smooth stone blocks. Do not fill in that area with yellow concrete. Polished andesite stairs. Also put a ladder there. Stone brick walls there. And put stone brick walls there. Alright. Don't go too high. Only go 1 high. Anyways, yeah. So make the roof out of smooth stone slabs, 4x4 area. Also, put black stained glass for the windows. And put a dark oak fence gate. First time I think I've actually used another wood instead of spruce. Yeah, because I usually use spruce for some dang reason. Oh wait, no, I've used dark oak before in one of these videos. Anywho, if you know what video I'm talking about, say it in the comments. Anyways, that was the plow, a 4x3 area, and put these stairs there. And also at the back, if you want to, this is optional, you could put polished andesite or blackstone stairs to make like this vent area. So yeah. And now here's my army of bulldozers, from 2 of them of which are from my mess up videos, and 1 of them, which would be this one right here. is from the video that's actually going to make it on YouTube, I hope. Plus, of course. But, we'll probably all be watching this and wondering, what is he talking about? So, yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking right here. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I encourage you to do this. And, yeah. This was Vectronics 007. And this was Minecraft 5-minute how-to on how to do a bulldozer. And I'll see y'all on next time on MC5MHT. Bye.